Mediation is a process in which the parties to a lawsuit can negotiate a settlement with the use of a mediator, someone that's act as an intermediary and helps the negotiation process take place. Sometimes, which happened to me today, the parties reach an impasse where they can't settle the case. And one of the tools in the toolbox for mediators is what we call a mediator proposal. A mediator's proposal is a pretty interesting tool. First, the mediators ask permission from each side to make a mediator's proposal. Once they receive that permission, the mediators would then come up with a number that they think the case should settle for. They'll write it down on a sheet of paper or figuratively, they'll write it down in an email. And they send it to each side, or in a multi-party case, they send it to all parties. And all the lawyers will open up that piece of paper at the same time and look at that number. If it is acceptable, they would notify the mediators that we have a deal. So it's either a yes or a no answer. The mediators would then announce to the parties that the case has settled and the parties have adopted the mediator's proposal. Now, what happens when the parties rejects the mediator's proposal, or you only have one party that rejects it? Then you don't have a deal, but you won't know what the answer was on the other side. You can guess what the answer might be. It's a mathematical equation, 50-50, yes or no. But when you have multiple parties, sometimes you don't know. You just know that you said yes, the other side said whatever, and they rejected the mediator's proposal. So, okay, back to work.